In this question, it is given that the escape velocity of a body from the Earth is VE. If radius of Earth is contracted to 1/4 of its value, keeping the mass of Earth as constant, the escape velocity is. So you can write the relation for escape velocity, that is under root of 2gm divided by r. So you can write this escape velocity is inversely proportional to root of r. So you can just say that escape velocity in situation 2 by escape velocity in situation 1 is under root of r1 divided by r2. So you can write escape velocity in situation 2 is v1 into r1 root of r1 divided by r2. So you can write escape velocity in the first situation, let's say that is ve, and in the first situation radius were r. And in the second situation, it is given that if the radius of Earth is contracted to 1/4 of its value, so now the radius becomes r divided by 4. Or you can write this as VE into this r, and this r get cancelled, root of 4, which we can take it as 2 times of its escape velocity. Or we can say that this escape velocity is going to increase by 2 times, or it is getting doubled.